Copyright.
Yeah.
Can I get a hat? Can somebody do that? Oh, yeah.
Shoot, kid!
Oh, let's go! Nice pass, Joe!
Joe, good pass.
Pretty much follow the center. Try to be a little more defensive. Pretty much follow their center.
You want to come back?
Man, I should have touched that one. It went straight under my legs.
Come back to the point.
We got our...
Against you.
You gotta get the guy.
Hit that guy's...
That's right you come back.
He's like,
No, because he fucked around too. Strong on you too.
That's why you come back. You cover that right there.
Do you upload them by periods?
Huh?
Do you upload them by periods?
You guys get ready? Coach will call the next line. Step up on him, Adam!
Middle! No, wait, you stand in front of me. Go, Joe!
You got Cofer!
Joe!
Come on, here's one. Let's go, keep it up, okay? Same thing, same plan. Drink some water. Hey, keep your eyes on the end. Go. Let's start spreading it out more, okay? Let's start making them move. The more they move, the more they get tired. So start making them double think themselves, okay? So we start moving the ball more. Yeah, go! Good step. Go to the board, let's go! Get in front of them! Yes, let's go! Get faster, baby! Yep, Christian, get over here! Faster. That's why you gotta go over to stop this. Good. Play back! Come on, Vinny! 2 hands on a stick, Vinny, and move your feet! Can't play on your knees, buddy! Nice! Oh my God! Good. Lift! All you, play cross! Stop reaching, move your feet! Don't let him go wide! Oh my God, you gotta stop this, man. Good job, Christian! Tip it over her! Good, body! Body, Christian, body! Up, lift.
That's your guy. Go in for the breakaway.
On him!
Why is the defense just standing there?
Don't! Too much time.
Get down!
Get it out! No, he's over the red! Come on! Be quiet. Go out there and score a couple more goals. Quiet. Blaine, be quiet. Zip it.
Me take some help.
Hey, you gotta move your feet, okay? You got it? Okay. Good job. We're gonna come back to your help. Hey, next time you go down like that, let the defenseman go get it. So you have to watch it. You get Christian, and then you come back up and tell me that guy. That's right there, okay?
Step on it!
Coming.
There you go.
No, I didn't. I was rushing. I stepped on my shoes. Come on, dude.
Open up, Fitzgerald, right in front. You got Fitz. Fitz, keep on going. That's your side. Boards, 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 boards. It's going off the boards. Look up, look up.
Oh, what a
Good job, Josh, good job. No ice, no ice. Boards, boards, Colin, boards. Get your head up on that, Kyle. Where's the key? Coach, gotta get the wingers. Go, you got it. Come on, you gotta kick it in there, Adam, and shoot it. Fall back, look behind you, look behind you.
Fitz!
Other way.
No, everyone's out there.
Defense.
You want me to stay out?
Stay out. Rob, talk to Gabe. Here, in.
The only thing we changed was 7.
I thought you needed something else.
You got Robbie behind you, Gabe.
Oh,
Start thinking.
that's why I added here.
Yes, nice one, Joe. Good job, Joey.
It only took my 7 this time, bro.
Good pass, good job, Joey.
Dude, Vinny, did you see that Selly? He took off his glove.
Good job, Josh. Let's go, guys. Keep it up. Gotta keep on moving your feet, gentlemen. Let's go.
Yeah, Joseph.
Good job, boys. Open it up now.
Go, John!
Open it up. Make your week wider. Let's go. Hold it.
Balance!
Hold it.
Alright, I'm sorry, I just kind of said that specific.
What number is blue? 90.
Let's go, guys. Standing around. Let's go. Start thinking. You got 2 in the middle. Oh. Joe's feeling it today.
I need to get my shoelace.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Vinny, you gotta move your feet, okay?
Alright,
Let's go, guys. Make them work on their side, okay, guys? You guys hear me? You gotta make them work on their side. Keep it in, keep it in, keep it in, keep it in. Oh. Come on, Vinny, let's go. Can't watch. Go, bud. Shoot. Actually, no, it doesn't work. It's not in the feet.
Good job, teammate.
Yep, let's go. You got cross. Oh, Vinny, catch it on your backhand.
Yeah, Chris. Go to the middle, Adam.
Good job.
Christian, come on! Let's go, let's see what I said, get back in the middle! Yes, play cross!
Come on, Vinny, win that. Vinny, 2 hands in a stick, Vinny. Vinny.
Play cross! Stop to him, stop to him! Dude, he lifted his stick!
So what? I don't have to come through your mouth. I don't have to come through.
Can I go? Hey, get out here.
Who you want to come off?
Go, get out here. Hey, over. Everybody else come on.
Everybody come off! Vinny. Grab me. Kind of keep 2 hands on the stick, okay? You keep on jamming. 2 hands on the stick. That's all we do. Who's that? Get hard! Now! Meet him at the front! Oh! Rob, you're on the back, Robbie! Middle back, Robbie!
Organ shot. Nah.
Oh, look at our goal horn.
Nah, shooting stopped. Damn, how do they keep doing that? They've done it the whole game, they just glove it down.
What?
They glove it down so perfectly, I feel like they practice that.
Now, let's go! 3 up front!
30 seconds!
Rob, you're in the back middle! Back middle! There you go! Fall back, little Robbie! Hurry up! Robbie, you're in the middle! There you go!
Adam!
Back up,
Adam! 10 seconds!
I don't care if it's What's that for? What was that for? It's in the box. Hey, what was that for? No, 87 jersey. What was that for? Let me tell you something. I hear you talking about calls nonstop. I told him I'm tired of his voice. I don't learn. Play with the game. I said it's off. What? No. What was that? I'm sorry, what'd you ask? What were you saying? I said, what am I doing right now? What am I doing right now? You call a penalty for me? I don't have to let you know. He knows exactly what's going on. I'm playing within the game. You just stole out. You know what I said? I said he's offside. I mean, he gave me a penalty for it. Hey.
You were on the ice for so long right now.
Coach.
Okay, they're coming in. Christian going out.
Hear your dad.
Back up, Gopher! Back up! Hold yourself! Hold yourself! There you go! All right, now hold it! Hold it right now!
There, I'll go straight out here.
Hold it, guys, now! Let's go! We got to get Joe out.
You can't even get out.
Let's go! Coach, next line. You got to get Joe out. You got 33. Cool. You got Christian, peel up. Shoot, Drake. Are you shoot, Chris? Go. Here's some. Go. 14 seconds. Hello. Got him.